After watching this video, you will be able to convert any radio into a rechargeable radio with battery mod. In this, I am going to convert my FlySky radio into a rechargeable radio. Its input voltage is 6 volts. I would need two 3.7 volts batteries and a 3.7 volts battery holder. Fully charged batteries will produce around 8 volts. Attach the holder with double tap on back of the radio, and solder its positive and negative wires accordingly. Although some people operate their radios this way with higher voltage, but as the radio is a most expensive item in the RC hobby. So in order to avoid any risk, I preferred to step down the voltage to 5 volts using IRFZ44N MOSFET transistor. It reduces DC voltage to 5 volts. IRFZ44N MOSFET is very cheap and is commonly available local market. You can also use single battery or single cell LiPo battery to power the radio. But in that case you would need MT3608 DC to DC adjustable voltage step-up module, to step up the voltage from 3.7 to 6 volts. Connect the battery wires with voltage in, and radio with voltage out. This tiny knob is used to adjust the output voltage. Please note that, this is DC voltage step-up module, it cannot be used to step down the voltage. However, I will go for IRFZ44N, because of its small size, less weight, and low price. You can go with your choice. It has 3 pins. The left pin is the input, the center pin is common, while the right pin is the outputs pin that produces 5 volts. Connect positive and negative wires of battery holder with left input pin and center common pin respectively. Then connect positive and negative of the radio with 5 volts output right pin and the common pin respectively. I soldered it exactly in the same way. Heat shrink tube is used on each wire as a protective covering. At the end I covered whole connection with a larger heat shrink tube to further protect it. We have successfully stepped down the voltage from 8 volts to 5 volts. Now it's time to connect it with radio. Open the radio. Make a hole with sharp knife or solder, and pass the wire through it. Solder the positive and negative wires accordingly. Fix the wire gently to avoid any damage to the radio circuit. These are the points where I soldered the wires. After operating it few times, I noticed that the connector was creating some problems. So, I removed the connector and soldered it directly. This is the end product. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share the video.